I literally woke up like 5 minutes ago because my husband's like, baby, there's snow outside. And it's Oregon and it never snows outside. So I'm like, oh yeah, right. He's like, no, seriously, go outside. There's snow. So, you want to see how much snow there is? Seriously, it's like that deep, like, there's my foot, and it's like, I don't even know how to measure how deep it is, but it snowed. It definitely snowed. It's never snowed like this, especially in March. Oh my gosh, it's like, last night, yesterday, like when I went to sleep, it was just rain. There's the cars. Everything is covered in snow. This is like one freak storm. It's crazy. Like seriously, it's almost up, like it's past my ankles in the snow. I've never seen it snow this much in Oregon before. It is insane and it's gorgeous, but it's crazy. Usually we'd be planting our gardens right now, not having a snow day. It's completely insane. Look at all that snow. There's gonna be so many kids screaming in a couple hours and playing out in the snow. It's like a parent's worst nightmare. My son's never even seen snow. This should be so much fun. I can't wait. I wish he knew how to walk instead of just be crawling. But this is gonna be a fun day. Oh my gosh. Good morning, guys. It's snowing. Oh, she's going to pee now. Let's just look at other things until she's done.
I don't think Pickles likes it when Tilly watches her poop. Like when we've come out.
I've been recording this.
When I've come out with all the dogs. And then Tilly's like already pooped and then Pickles is still trying to find a place. I think she has pooping shyness. Go run! Go run!
Go!
Run!
Go get the snow!
Play.
Go!
Go play!
She actually like looks.
Get it.
Go get it, Pickles! Get it! Go! Go!
You go wake up all the Granby kids and tell them it's snow. So they don't have to go to school.
You get a day off, guys. You gotta stay home.
Okay, go get Tilly. I want to see what she does.
So, unfortunately, my sign language class, which is Wednesday, is going to be sign language day. I was going to teach you some sign language that I learned tonight in my class. Oh, it's raining. Dang it. Maybe I'll not be able to do this. Or I should do this really quick. And since it got canceled because of snow, the freak snowstorm. And now it's raining, and it's wet, and it's cold. And I really wanted to make a snowman, but it's gonna melt all the snow or make it into slush. So I'm going to make a snowman, and you guys are gonna watch me. And then we'll destroy it. So I'm gonna make a really quick snowman. And hopefully you don't get rained on too much. See you guys in... I don't like the snow. Why won't it turn off? My gloves won't let it turn off. Okay, that's a nice thing to know. Ah! guys fell over. Maybe it's not. Okay, there's the snowman. Can you see it? You guys are all wet. Okay, this is not working. The snow's perfect for snowman building, but you keep on falling over. Oh, you fell over once. So, oh no! Okay, Carrot knows it's going on top. Now you ready? Ready? We're gonna destroy it. Okay, I'm gonna put you down so I can destroy it. I wanted it to be more epic than that, but... Still snowing. Sorry. I'm sure you couldn't hear me, or you wouldn't have been able to hear me if I was gonna stay in the family room. Okay. Oh no, don't want to lay on the computer. Oof. So, it was just a snowy day, and I don't particularly care for the snow, as I've probably said before. I don't remember if I did. But I don't really care for the snow, but, you know, my son doesn't either, but he's too young to really care for it anyways. So, it's just been a snowy, cold day, and I just spent the whole day inside playing with my son mostly. I did laundry, you know, all the exciting stuff of a housewife. Or a house mom, I guess. And I've come to the hard realization that my baby boy, he turned 9 months yesterday. And I've come to the realization that I've been trying to hold him back, not on purpose, but like unintentionally, I've been holding him back from doing things that he should have been doing a while ago, like, you know, eating more solid foods. I've just wanted to breastfeed him, and that's not a horrible thing, but, you know, also, like, I don't give him a lot of downtime on the ground. I mean, I give him plenty, but not plenty, but, you know, I don't give him enough, I don't think, because I just use the excuse as the dogs, because they roughhouse so much, I don't want him to get hurt. But I think it's just me trying to keep him a baby forever, and that's just, it's hurting both of us, because he's not being able to progress like he should, and I'm holding on to false hope that he's going to be a baby forever. So today, he was on the ground the whole time, and he loved it, and he was crawling all over the place, and I fed him. He's eaten like 3 things of baby food, and it's a bittersweet moment for me. And it's caused me a lot of anxiety, like, before. Today, actually, I don't know how to even explain it, but I'll get to the point where, like, reality, just being here in this world, all of a sudden it just hits me how freaky it is and how out of control I feel, and then all of a sudden I'll have this meltdown of a panic attack, like, just physically. Not more emotionally, but more physically, and it's crushing and it's terrifying, and I've been, like, on the verge of that all day, but I've been, like, talking myself out of it, talking myself down. Like, I wonder if this is zoomed in. Has that been zoomed in on my face the whole time? I certainly hope not, because then you'd be, like, looking at me like this, or, like, up my nose or something. Sorry if it was. My husband had the camera the last time, so I certainly hope it wasn't zoomed up the whole time. So, like, I've been on the verge of an anxiety, like, a horrible anxiety attack, and I've been fighting it off. And I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I don't know if I should just I know I've talked about letting the feelings come in and then processing them, but I don't want to have the anxiety attack because it makes me feel like I'm about to have a seizure. My nose itched. And that feeling terrifies me because I feel out of control and I feel scared and vulnerable. And I think the whole seizure thing is going to be something I'm going to have to work through really hard. And I might even actually have to go through therapy, because that was just terrifying. For a normal person, that would be terrifying, but for a person that's already terrified of just life itself, it's pretty, I don't know, it's pretty scarring, I guess. Oh well, you know, I lived, my son lived, everybody came out healthy. It's rare for it to, like, for the seizures to happen and not have an effect on the mom or the baby. But we both came out. I think the only thing that has that effect is just my anxiety, and I don't know. But, you know, I want it to be in the past, and I hope someday that I'll be able to let go. But on a brighter note, tomorrow is Thursday, and it's Question Thursday. I don't know, this is the one part of the week that I'm not sure about, because I'm not sure if anybody's going to ask me any questions. I'm sorry. Oh, God bless me. But if you guys have any questions, like about myself, about my life, or what I think about something, or whatever, just go ahead and ask. And if no one asks questions, if you don't feel obligated to ask questions, if no one asks questions, I'm not going to be hurt, and I'll just do the day I'll just choose a different theme for that day, and we'll just not do Question Thursday. Because I don't want to force people to ask questions or be really embarrassed if no one does, and just be like, well, since no one asked questions today, I'll do something else. I don't want it to be like that. So, I mean, you're more than welcome to ask questions anytime, and I'll answer them. But it's not like I know a lot of things, or I just make up most of the stuff I talk about. So I'm gonna go. I have to upload yesterday's video and today's video. I'm sorry that yesterday's didn't get uploaded, but I came home and I passed out after scripture study. I was so tired. I'd just been on my feet all day, holding my baby, like on the front pack you saw, and that just wears me out. And it was just a long day. So I'm gonna go get those uploaded, watch a couple movies with my husband. I just gave my baby a bath. It was adorable, and things will get better. They will. Even if it feels like they're horrible now, just wait. Just give it a little bit of time and it'll get better, I promise. Because I've been there, and it does get better. See you guys tomorrow. Thursday. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.